What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we got a Z4 video for you guys. I'm gonna take you guys on a POV drive of the Z4 so you guys can see how it drives and you guys can see your way around a 2.5 Z4. So yeah, let's get into it. As you guys can see, it has red interior and it is a 5-speed manual. The exhaust right now is bone stock everything, so as you guys can see, it's not that loud. It's have a nice little rumble to it though, has some tone. As you guys can see, this trunk definitely needs a repaint. The clear coat is gone, but yeah, it's clean though for what it is. So I was gonna do a POV drive for you guys with the top down since it's a nice ass day in Miami, but as you guys know, with old BMW, shit tends to break. So the electric sunroof motor, the part that controls the latches, just went out on me. So I bought a kit to rebuild that motor. It was like 13 bucks on eBay. If you guys have a Z4 and you have a similar issue and you guys need a link to rebuild your sunroof motor, I could drop it for you guys in the comments, so just let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna try and rebuild the sunroof motor for the latches to see if it works, because I know to control the whole top automatically it's a hydraulic motor, and that's a little bit more work to rebuild. But the one for the latches in the front is electronic, so that should be a little bit easier to build and work on. So that might be a new video coming up for you guys soon, so stay tuned for that. But today's drive will be with the top up, since I can't get it down right now. You guys can hear the car really needs some brakes. I tried to do it the other day, but the brakes were really seized up, so I just bled them. But you guys can hear that noise when you brake. It definitely needs rotors. They're definitely warped. That's why I won't follow anybody too closely in this, but I'm just taking it off for a little cruise for you guys. Might do a couple pulls for you guys here and there, but yeah, hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, because I have the windows down right now. So if you guys get this clip in the video, you guys know I got through the wind noise. But little third gear pull for you guys. It's the car is light, so I believe the car only has like 200 horsepower flat actually. So it's not fast, but it's a light car. The car only weighs like around like 2,500 pounds or so. So the car is very light, and as you guys can hear, the fucking massacre, the noise this car makes when it brakes, it's awful. But yeah, for the most part, this car has been pretty reliable. Haven't had any issues besides a slight misfire. Also, when I got it, the valve cover was pissing out oil, so I swapped the valve cover gasket, and it's been fine ever since. So sitting in traffic with this car is where I really miss having the ability to put the top down. That's kind of the reason why I bought this car, was to have a convertible. But it doesn't drive bad for like a coupe, but this isn't a car you guys would want a daily. It's definitely like a good second or third car for you guys to have. But I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the market on these Z4s, but the prices have been going up even though the car market is on the decline. So I guess people are realizing how great of a driver's car these little Z4s are. Especially if you want to boost them, there's a lot of space in the engine bay, because these cars have like a really long hood, as you guys can see. But yeah, the value's been going up on these, so if you guys can get a deal on a cheap Z4, definitely pick it up, because you can probably sell it for what you paid, if not more. And as you guys can see, as soon as I say the car's been running good, it starts to misfire on me. You guys see that little misfire? But yeah, it comes and goes. It's nothing crazy. Probably gonna need a new set of plugs and coils on this car, because when I did the valve cover, I took the spark plugs out and the coils out and I cleaned them, but I didn't replace them. So it's probably gonna need a replacement. But yeah, I'll get back with you guys when I get out of this red light and continue the drive. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm gonna put the windows up so the wind noise isn't as bad, but as you guys can see, it drives good for what is this, a 20-year-old car now that it's 2023. This car is a 2003 Z4 2.5. So yeah, for a 20-year-old car, it drives good. The road noise isn't bad. It is very light on the road, but I guess that's what you can expect for a car that is this light. But yeah, it drives good. It's a nice cruiser. If you guys just want a convertible to cruise around in on the weekends, it's a nice car. As you can see, nice little downshift. It sounds really good. I guess that's just because it has the M54, but it is a really good sounding engine. Alright, let me flip a UE right here for you guys. I'll get back with you guys after this red light. So yeah guys, let me know if you guys want more Z4 content, because out of all my three cars, the 335, the 6, this car gets the least amount of views. And I know I didn't really buy this car to like follow any trends or because Z4s get views, but I just bought it more of like a personal enjoyment vehicle. You guys know, I live in Miami, so that's kind of the reason why I bought this, just as like a personal enjoyment vehicle, because it is like really sunny down here. I do go to the beach a decent amount, so it's like a nice weekend cruiser, you know, top down, not too fast, but it's a manual, so you do get to enjoy shifting your own gears. But yeah, let me pull up to this parking lot and I'll hop out the car and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more. So yeah guys, let me know what else you guys want to see with the Z4. As you guys can see, here's an upcoming video that I got for you guys here. This is the M Performance shift knob for the Z4, but most of them are 6-speed, but as you guys can see, hold on, let me go this way. But yeah, as you guys can see, this one is it's upside down, but this one's a 5-speed. M performance shift knob. A lot of E90 guys do this, E92, so that's why I bought it, because I went with the ZCP shifter in my E92. But I'm willing to give the M performance one a try with all the good reviews it has. But yeah, let me walk around the outside and talk to you guys about some upcoming Z4 stuff. So yeah, this is the Z4. It's probably the best lighting video you guys have got of it so far. I know the last video was raining, so I had to do it in my parking garage, aside from the video of the grill. But yeah, this is what the Z4 looks like. Oh, sorry, the truck just drove by. But yeah guys, so definitely what I want to do for the front end of this car is definitely get some upgraded headlights, because as you guys can see, the clear coat or whatever the fuck is the lens on that headlight actually just looks like it's done for. So instead of getting new lenses, I'm just gonna get some halo headlights, but that'll be an upcoming video for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see me lower this car. I could put it on some coilovers. The car's on the factory 16s right now, so that's why it sits pretty low. But as you guys can see, there's still a good amount of wheel gap. The front doesn't look as bad, but with some coils we could dial in the fitment on this even more. But that's if you guys want to see Z4 content. If not, I might just get rid of this and pick up something else if you guys want to see something else. I've also been looking at E70 X5s to make like an overlanding build. I love the way the E70 X5 looks. That's like my favorite generation of X5 from BMW. Even the new one, I think the E70 looks better. But that's another upcoming tip for you guys. Not a tip, but like that's another preview of what's upcoming on the channel for you guys. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see some more Z4 mods. I could do an exhaust for it. There's a bunch of little things that I could do for it. But yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see it, and I'll keep pumping out Z4 content for you guys. But that's it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.